Hi, the topic is the magic of systematic investment plan plus systematic withdrawal plan. So, let's take an example to understand it better. Rahul, whose age is around 30 years, Rahul will start an SIP of around 2000 rupees per month and he will continue it investing for next 30 years. The returns generated by this fund will be 15% per annum. Returns are assumed returns. So the result after 30 years will be an amount of 2000 rupees invested for next 30 years has created a wealth of around 1 crore 12 lakhs. Yes, you heard it right. The corpus which has been created is 1 crore 12 lakhs. Rahul's plan did not stop here. Rahul, when he retired at the age of around 60 years, he converted this lump sum of 1 crore 12 lakhs into systematic withdrawal plan to ensure regular income. Rahul withdrew 6% annually. So 6% annually of 1 crore 12 lakhs will work out to 54,826. This 54,826 he kept on withdrawing month on month basis for the next 20 years. The total amount of money which has been withdrawn by Rahul in the next 20 years is 1 crore 31 lakhs 58,000 rupees to meet his living expenses. The real magic is even after enjoying 20 years of financial freedom, Rahul's SWP allowed him to leave a legacy of around 1 crore 12 lakhs for his family. So, the takeaway from Rahul's story is start small. Rahul started with 2000 rupees SIP. Think big. He created a corpus of around 1 crore 12 lakhs by kept on investing for next 30 years. Rahul enjoyed financial freedom by converting the corpus into systematic withdrawal plan to meet his living expenses. Leave legacy. Rahul left a legacy of around 1 crore 12 lakhs for his family. To create financial freedom for your family and to plan for your retirement, please contact us on 9980 12790. Thanks.